for the record, yung witness na iharap mo ay hindi yan kasama sa mga invited resource
Recording in
person
progress.
by this committee. But then again, as I have said, I am for ferreting out the truth.
Thank you, Mr.
Kahit
Chair.
na wala yan siya sa, hindi siya invited na resource person, but since dinala mo siya dito, I am willing to hear him. Huwag po kayo mag-alala. But then again, before you proceed with the presentation of your witness, I just would like to react on your opening statement that yes, I would like to thank you for these reminders. Reminders coming from a esteemed veteran colleague of the Senate. Alam ko mas marami kang alam kaysa akin. So I am taking all your advices, and rest assured that as the chairman of this committee will not go overboard. When you say that I am entertaining, I am legitimizing falsehood, I would like to disagree that we are not entertaining. But thank you for this reminder. Hindi naman, kaya nga tayo nagkakaroon ng hearing to hear everyone, para pakinggan natin sila. Wala po tayong hidden agenda dito. It's up for us to evaluate yung mga sinasabi nila kung totoo ba yan o hindi. In fact, si Morales mismo, meron siya mga sinasabi na pinapaniwalaan ko, meron din siyang sinasabi na medyo alanganin ako. That's just to set the record straight. And rest assured, I will do my best as the chairman of this committee na hindi magamit itong committee na ito for any hidden agenda or any political or personal agenda ng ibang tao. Itataya ko ang buhay ko dito sa hearing na ito as far as objectivity and neutrality is concerned. That's all. You may proceed.
Thank you, Mr. Chair.
Mr. Chairman.
Senator Tolentino is seeking the floor, if you may allow. Go ahead, Senator Tolentino.
Even without inquiring as to the nature of the testimony that would be given by the surprise witness, may we know, Mr. Chairman, kung nakapanumpa na ba yung surprise witness? O wala pa dito? Wala pa. Surprise nga. Surprise nga.
So, therefore, you are not objecting, huh? You are not objecting to the presentation of this witness?
We rely on the ruling of the chair.
Well, I rule in the spirit of transparency and fairness. Kahit na hindi ko siya invited, since siya ay invited ng ating colleague, din pakinggan natin. I'm willing to hear.
I rely on your ruling. I'm not so sure about the sentiments of Senator Escudero here.
You want to share your sentiment? By the way, I would like to acknowledge the presence of Senator Escudero and Senator Bongo. Thank you very much, Your Honors. Dumadami na akong kasama dito. Lumalakas na yung loob ko. Andyan na kayo. Marami na akong reinforcement. Thank you. Please.
Probably conditionally, Mr. Chairman, because I want to be surprised too. I don't know the nature of the testimony to be given by the witness of Senator Jinggoy. But I'm willing to go along with the chairman's ruling to allow this witness for the meantime.
Well, thank you. As I have said, no holds barred ako dito. Kahit sino. Pakinggan ko. That's why we have a hearing. Para pakinggan natin. Senator Jinggoy, before you continue, you want to say your... Okay. Say, please, Senator Mark, may opening statement ka? Okay, go ahead, Senator Jinggoy.